In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add guides on Canva. Guides are simple alignment helpers that make it easier to line up text, images, and other elements so your designs look clean and professional. They never export with your design, so they're just there to help you while you work. Start by opening the project you want to work on. Once your design is on screen, look to the very top left corner and click File. From that menu, choose Settings. In the Settings panel, turn on Show Rulers and Guides. If it's already on, you're good to go. Turning this on reveals a ruler across the top of your canvas and another down the left side. These are your launching points for guides. Here's how it works. To create a horizontal guide, move your cursor up to the top ruler, click, and drag down onto your canvas. You'll see a thin line follow your cursor. Release your mouse when the guide is exactly where you want it. To create a vertical guide, do the same thing from the left ruler. Click the ruler, drag to the right, and let go where the guide should sit. That's it. You've just added guides to your design. A few tips as you place them. If you're aiming for precision, zoom in before you drag, so you can land your guide on the exact spot. Canva often shows position readouts and snapping cues, especially near the center and edges, which helps you drop guides at common alignment points. If you don't like where a guide ended up, click and drag it again to reposition it until it feels right. Want multiple guides? Just repeat the same drag action from the ruler as many times as you need. Horizontal from the top, vertical from the left. Use guides to define consistent margins, align columns, center a headline, or keep spacing uniform between elements. As you move objects around, you'll notice how they snap to your guides, which makes alignment quick and repeatable. If you're not seeing the rulers, double-check that Show Rulers and Guides is toggled on in Settings. Also make sure you're actually dragging from the ruler itself. Starting on the canvas won't create a guide. That's the whole process. Open your project, turn on Show Rulers and Guides from File and Settings, then drag guides out from the rulers and place them exactly where you want. With just a few drags, your layout becomes easier to manage and your design instantly looks more polished. Now, go ahead and add a few guides to your project and enjoy the difference they make.